As the world celebrates the end of Pride Month, the US Supreme Court has said that some private businesses can refuse service to same-sex couples in a ruling against strong anti-discriminatory rights. The US top court backed the case of a Christian graphic designer from the state of Colorado who cited her beliefs while refusing to make a wedding website for a same-sex couple. Justice Neal gave the decision backed by all 6 of the top court's conservatives, saying Colorado's strict anti-discriminatory laws compel an individual to create speech they do not believe in. Although the decision focuses on limited businesses, including artists and content creating businesses, the court's liberal judges raised concern that the verdict risks being applied to any business as part of a wider backlash to the moves toward LGBTQ equality. The judges showcased dissent led by Sonia Sotomayor, warning that this could play into the hands of people wishing to widen the discriminatory actions. The judge also said that for the first time ever, a business has been granted the constitutional right to refuse to serve members of a protected class. US President Joe Biden also reiterated the same, adding that the ruling will further the discriminatory virtues of the society.
45 years, the United States Supreme Court.
For more on this, our correspondent Susan Tehrani sends us this report from New York.
The Supreme Court ruled on Friday that businesses can refuse to serve same-sex couples if doing so violates the owner's religious belief. While the Supreme Court has significantly expanded LGBTQ rights, it has recently started to carve out some exceptions. This particular case concerned Lori Smith, who's a Colorado web designer who wanted to create and sell wedding websites, however not to same-sex couples. The conservative majority Supreme Court ruled in favor of Smith, saying that she has the right to do so under the Constitution's First Amendment. Justice Neil Gorsuch wrote in the majority opinion that the First Amendment envisions the United States as a rich and complex place where all persons are free to think and speak as they wish, not as the government demands. Colorado cannot deny the promise consistent with the First Amendment. Susan Tehrani reporting from New York for WION The World.